Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Perpetual Grace is probably one of the most sought-after and versatile products in its category, offering a unique blend of style, functionality, and durability that appeals to a wide range of consumers. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast looking for an upgrade or a newcomer curious about what makes this product stand out, its innovative design and user-friendly features are engineered to impress and exceed expectations. We'll dive deep into what makes Perpetual Grace a top contender, exploring its key attributes and how it can enhance your daily life or specific needs. Number 5. F. Scott Fitzgerald Quotes Wall Art, Gatsby Vintage Posters. Discover the wisdom of F. Scott Fitzgerald with this inspiring wall art. It serves as a daily dose of motivation, perfect for adding a touch of literary charm to your surroundings. Looking for a unique gift? This art piece is ideal for any occasion, offering a thoughtful and inspiring present for book lovers and art enthusiasts alike. Enhance any space with this stylish art print. It complements various decor styles, from vintage to modern, making it a versatile addition to your home or office. This unframed print is designed for easy framing. Simply choose a frame that matches your existing decor to complete the look. Proudly printed in Tomball, Texas, this piece reflects quality American craftsmanship. It's a beautiful addition for those who appreciate fine art and unique decor. What we like? This piece offers timeless inspiration from a classic author, making it a perfect gift for any occasion. Its versatile style suits any room, blending seamlessly with various decor. If you're looking for a thoughtful and aesthetically pleasing addition to your home or office that sparks creativity, this is the one for you. What people say. The poster was printed on very high-quality cardboard. It arrived in great shape. Quality print on nice paper. Beautiful quality, arrived in great condition. Number 4. Faith Desktop Flipbook. Introducing the Faith Desktop Flipbook, a revolutionary tool designed to enhance your learning experience. It brings educational content to life with its interactive features. This device offers a unique way to engage with information. Explore new topics and concepts like never before, making learning both fun and effective. Built with modern educational needs in mind, it provides a dynamic platform for students and educators alike. Its intuitive design ensures ease of use for everyone. We've simplified interactive learning to its core. With this flipbook, complex subjects become accessible and easy to grasp, fostering a deeper understanding. Step into the future of education with this innovative product. It's more than just a device, it's a new way to learn and grow. What we like? Experience daily motivation with this interactive flipbook, designed for portable inspiration. It's a unique way to engage with content on the go. If you enjoy tactile experiences and seek a constant source of encouragement throughout your day, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Perpetual Grace is a beautifully crafted piece with intricate details that showcase exceptional artistry. Its unique design incorporates a blend of traditional and modern aesthetics, making it a versatile addition to any decor. The functionality of the Perpetual Grace is surprisingly practical, offering a subtle yet effective way to enhance the ambience of a room. Number 3. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Step into a world where dreams are made of chocolate. Experience the magic and wonder of this beloved story. One lucky child will discover a gateway to the most extraordinary place. Will it be you who finds the golden ticket? Prepare to be amazed by the eccentric genius behind the factory. His creations are as fantastical as his imagination. Follow Charlie Bucket on an unforgettable adventure. He'll encounter marvelous inventions and life-changing lessons. From fizzy-lifting drinks to edible wallpaper, the wonders never cease. Every room holds a new delight. Indulge your senses in the most incredible chocolate factory ever conceived. It's a place where anything is possible. What we like? Embark on a whimsical adventure with beloved characters and imaginative storytelling. This offers a delightful escape into a world of wonder. If you're seeking a nostalgic journey or want to share a magical experience with younger audiences, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The production values are unusually lavish for an audiobook. There are nicely mixed sound effects woven in and out of the action, and a lovely instrumental theme tuned by Rusty Bradshaw that pops up in particularly big sequences. Douglas Hodge is more than up to the task of handling the huge cast of characters. The voices and line deliveries he comes up with are not only well thought out, but frequently hilarious. This book is very high quality with rich, bright colors. I like that there are strong primary colors and pastels, not a bunch of neon weirdness that is often plastered over Wonka-type products, movie posters, etc. The designs are in line with Dahl's original vision and the original illustrations, and are cohesive with the era in which the story was first written. Number 2. Perpetual. Introducing Perpetual, a revolutionary leap in sustainable energy solutions. Experience unparalleled efficiency and reliability for a greener tomorrow. Harness the boundless potential of Perpetual. Our advanced technology redefines energy generation, offering a cleaner and more sustainable future for all. Perpetual is engineered for unwavering performance. Trust in its robust design to deliver consistent and dependable energy, day in and day out. We are committed to environmental stewardship. Perpetual represents our dedication to innovative solutions that minimize our impact on the planet. Choose Perpetual and invest in a brighter, more sustainable future. Join us in creating a world powered by clean and efficient energy. What we like. This embodies an enduring legacy with timeless themes, presented through artistic expression. It's a piece that resonates deeply and offers profound insights. If you appreciate works that stand the test of time and explore universal human experiences, this is a must-consider. What people say. Smooth grooves as always. This time very mellow and chill. I put on this vinyl during evenings for a nice wind down. But really it is perfect for any time. Tommy is a great one-man band in the studio and he comes up with yet another gem of an album full of mellow vibes and grooves. Chill jazzy guitar jams only, fantastic. Number 1. Perpetual Defiance. Discover the power within you. Embrace your resilience and face any challenge head-on. This is your moment to shine. Feel the surge of unwavering determination. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Never back down from your goals. Obstacles are merely stepping stones to greatness. With a spirit that never quits, you can overcome anything. Keep pushing forward. Define your own path and live life on your terms. Your strength lies in your unique journey. Embrace the freedom to be yourself. This is more than just a mindset, it's a way of life. Cultivate an attitude of perpetual defiance and achieve the extraordinary. Your potential is limitless. What we like. Make a bold statement with an unwavering spirit that challenges norms. This is for those who aren't afraid to stand out and push boundaries. If you resonate with themes of rebellion, resilience, and forging your own path, this is the perfect fit for you. What people say. The Perpetual Grace features a durable stainless steel construction, ensuring longevity and resistance to rust. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to handle during extended use. The integrated LED light illuminates the workspace, allowing for precise work even in low light conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.